The jelly inside. This is the perfect kind to eat. It's all done. The fireside. Gonna get better than this. Everything. This is when it's done. Like I know the most pundits, most people would have not a lot of invitees, like just family and
Oh, sit.
now it look heavy, boy. You stop in the corner. Put this back. Oh.
Wait, put what?
Look guys, fajita. It's not fajita anymore. Skeleton police station. There's a Camille police station. You make you know, you start getting how I'm going to get 3 bela.
Careful. If you're in bed, wait.
But I know they're the big.
I know.
But you know what? Come on, more.
You want to sit down and come down?
What? Careful. There's some on camera.
Take too long to do the package.
Yeah, man.
Pumpkin time, pumpkin and roti.
Don't destroy up this whole pumpkin here.
Kohara.
You want this?
Pumpkin don't damage up there. Time to go peel and chip up.
Ready to cook in the morning?
You come here.
Ready to cook in the morning. So we got some helpers. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Cooking day. Well, Shapu have been up since 2 something. Start to cook. And we got a couple more helpers come in. So look at it. This is a new way to great cook. Look. And this is coconut milk for the katahar. So you burst it and they dig it out in pieces. Add a little water. Cooking already. Wow. Pumpkin. Sweet rice. Got some rice here. Some parmesan. So you see, by the time we get up, most of the thing finished cooking already. Now we got Chachi doing shitting in here too, look. What's that? Lapsi, what's that?
Lapsi.
See Chachi got lapsi going on here. Yeah, so everything under control, everything will be finished on time. Because after the just the katahar remaining.
Aloo curry.
And aloo curry, yes.
And the puri.
And puri. So this is how you make this the lapsi. Sorry, I didn't get to get it from start. Look here, outside, fireside cooking up. Spinach or bhaji. Look. Fast and easy. Look. This is the bok choy and what was the other one?
Chow right.
And the chow rai mixed together. The bok choy and the chow rai mixed together. Look. Can't get better than this, guys. Outside fireside cooking. See there? Fast and easy. They got everything under control already. And more, the neighbor helping out too. You see in Guyana, you gotta live good with your neighbor.
Yeah.
You have to look out for your neighbors. That's how thing goes in Guyana. Here the Guyana effect already. Say something.
You feel very happy. Okay, you know, go ahead. You can say you bring me a Guyana
Here?
study.
Take her some Guyana ice and keep them over there or something.
I did.
So she can stay easy. Give her 2 pieces every day.
Matter what you say, you gonna miss it, so that's alright.
You get this to go and next there, cut the heart.
For a lot of people, most people.
Yeah. You're doing like 7 curry and you like a cut the heart. That's to say you get it or you don't, it's the same thing.
Or sometimes I call you believe like a bear.
So now it's almost
6 o'clock.
6 in the morning. Sun will be out. It's starting to get bright now.
And look at that Chachi and Pooja and
Yeah, the family over.
the famous
Fireside cooking.
Family. Get it all locked down by 6. Almost everything got cooking.
Everything under control, everything under control. Guyana shovel. See flower plant all over them. And all those on the fence there, all those are Caraila. Caraila tree. Look, you got some small ones, look. Get some small ones on them. Right through there's a Caraila tree. All this flower. And look at this. Tulsi plant. This is the Tulsi tree. The Tulsi tree right here. That's a big. That's thyme. Thyme there. This is a kind of. I think it's a bamboo family. This got flower.
Bamboo, no.
Oh, it's not a flowering plant, but
They call it the Chinese bamboo.
Yeah,
Call it the Chinese bamboo.
they call it the Chinese bamboo. And this is one of those kind of palm. Right there. He got some more. I'm not sure of the names.
Maybe they can use the comment and let you know if they know.
Oh, here.
Look, Camille find her
Camille
soulmate.
find her soulmate, look.
Right.
It's a potato, guys, look.
Yeah, show me your heart
And
before
heart, look.
potato. Yes. So you gotta look from potato vendor or somebody
See?
concerning potato.
That sign. You got
That's
a
a
sign.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, they got this
Sign
potato
that
going.
love is it.
Love is in the air. Love is in the air.
Love is in the potato for
Love is in the
Camille.
potato.
So we got the potato going. We got some potato curry. Plus
So
we gotta
the
get some
potato-
for
The potato in the
the
cover.
bacon curry there, eggplant curry.
Oh, you not put this in the eggplant? Yeah, put it in again. Yeah, so.
This is
Alright, the curry.
are the setup that we take to the beach. So yes, guys, to 63 famous 63 beach. That's where we will be going. Yeah, so I'll give you guys a closer look, and you can comment below on the names
Right across the market. I don't know.
for these kind of plants. I know this is the one they call croton. I think that's the one. Oh, it's not? See, I got the name wrong, so yeah.
You guys comment below. if You guys
Comment below.
Oh, they sucker.
If you know the names of these different kind of plants.
Let me tell you, man, like me, they like 30 seconds.
That's right, man. Man, all set for the 63 beach. See, that's where I come in there. Wild, wild west. But the only thing, this is the east. Wild, wild west in the east.
Direction to the west.
See?
That's it.
Morning, morning.
Morning, morning.
Right.
Kala what about my really cut that? I don't mess with them book, man.
So here, man.
And I mess with them book, man. Man, call these tools, look. Sorry. I know,
No offense.
no offense, and it's just a local,
Inside joke.
like it's joke. It's just jokes. Everything is jokes. Nothing meant for anyone, so no harm done to anyone.
I know.
Yeah, so the man, wild west in the east.
Walk with the pole in.
They talk.
For the rain.
Talk for the rain. You have to cater for the rain. So all set, everything on time.
Yeah, feel okay, Chacho?
Huh?
Chachi say heaven and hurt you a little bit.
And
Alright?
couple man, I mean, that's
So like, look, coconut trees. Look how much coconuts on them. Look, and those are nice water coconuts there. Look.
and you have the pigeon fish to join the cocoa rice.
Oh yeah, look here. There's a pigeon peach tree. It goes in the cook-up rice. Famous cook-up rice. Look, more coconut here. And what kind of tree is this? This
Padu
paru.
and guava.
Or whitey.
And guava.
And I'm call it paru, right? Whitey?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a sweet fruit in Guyana. So whoever had it before, the paru or the whitey. Oh, look here, look. Look guys, look.
Mango.
Mangoes, and look. Look how far they're like, look. You just plug them and look. In the USA you have to pay like $5, almost $4 to $5 for one of these.
And
Look.
this is free.
And look.
Free.
It's
Pick how
every
much
in
you
every
want.
yard, look. This is how they are, look. Look guys, look. All those are mangoes, look.
Look, a lot. Look here.
Look at it. Almost every home have a mango tree at least. In. And you just have to stretch your hands and you get them, look. Look, they're mangoes, look. All over in between.
Look, man, no, not a bushes.
More?
Tree at the grass.
More coconut trees here.
All right. Here comes the workman.
So you see the man get a, what you call a rod?
The rod.
A rod with a hook on the end, so
just
they
a-
call it a hook rod.
Forget the coconut.
They got the coconut because the trees are
A bit tall.
tall. So who's gonna catch?
Nobody catches that.
One down.
The guy young one, you know. We boil the knife and that. Watch it get through there. Come this side.
Yeah, so they're trying to get the young ones to do
You walk here.
the need for the
Get through there.
the religious function.
That top there, top again. Huh? Oh, you know.
This is a young tree going up here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look here, look.
That was better.
Hope it don't go in the canal. Here you go, look.
That's it.
Nice.
That one you can
See?
think of it.
I got a cut man here, look.
Wap wap.
Wap, wap, wap.
See if he's good. What did the cut man make? Cut down.
The cut man here, look.
I drink come. Yeah, drink come.
That is jelly.
Oh yeah, this is a nice drinking kind.
Yeah.
That's not sharp.
Oh, this one. This is a little bit on the hard side.
Nah, yeah, that's it.
Oh, nice.
Double crushed and crumpled.
Nice jelly, look. Thank you to the cut man and the pick man. See this? It can't get fresher than this.
And the tree to your mouth.
Right away.
Look, and this is how you do it. We don't need straw. You already need this.
Straight up.
Oh, we got your own dry one now, right?
Oh yeah, drink now.
Yeah, so,
Drink now.
yeah. Cut it like that. You don't even need a straw. This is how we do it in Guyana.
Yes. From the nut straight to your mouth.
Mmm. Sweet. And can't get fresher than that. Early morning. Yeah, the coconut and it's got nice. Look at the jelly inside. This is a perfect kind to eat.
6 o'clock when it's dark, drink tea, coconut.
Powers.
You know the jelly?
You gotta get the dry one.
So now this is. You cut a spoon like that. See the man in the Wild Wild West and the Wild Wild East. Look at the inside. Just open up, get the inside. Look at this. Look. Perfect jelly. Look. Watch here. So you use a spoon and you just
Scoop it and
scoop it up like that. Yeah. Good thing, good thing. So you do it here. See a local spoon.
You coconut
Look
get
at the
everything,
shell,
man.
yeah.
You get water, you get jelly, you get
Everything. Coconut is very, very useful. It's all done. And this, even when it's dry, use it to burn in the fireside.
Cook.
Can't get better than this. Everything used in a coconut tree. So now, that was one of the young kind to drink, the water coconut. Now we need one of the dry one. Look. Whoops. Oh. Missed his head by a couple inches. So these are the ones that on the tree for a long time.
I go get that.
And you call this the dry coconut.
Oh, I see that. But I'm going to
Look at this one.
Yeah. Even if you how you get a digger anything?
Nah.
So now they need one with the head. So
This one here.
this one here. You're gonna shape it up with a cutlass.
Yeah, just cut out here, so. And this one I will make the chunky. This is
So
the
you gotta-
chunky one.
Coconut tree, guys. Everything on these branches, this is what they cut and they make broom, and you use it to sweep around in the yard and everything. So the cutting process start now with this. This is a different cutting process. So these coconuts have to be cut in a special way, as you can see here. All those Hindus and most Guyanese folks will know exactly. So this has been cut in a special way. So you guys wonder how it's done when you go to the store and you get it. This is how it's been done.
I'm going to pass it up right enough. Come up there.
Yeah, you got a little some mosquitoes, but hope it does not do any more damage. So the cutting process continue here. You see, they have to be cut in a special way. They need the head on the coconut. Is it they call it the head?
Yeah. That's it.
See? Work done there. So here, you see this is called the head right here. You need this part on the coconut like this. You man, just tried it, man. The thing with the cutlass. So this one is done. So look at mangoes on that tree, look. Look guys, look. All those are mangoes right around. So this one here, you see how this one being done like that, right? Yeah. You need it smooth and
You have to sit on properly.
on both ends, they flatten it out. So when you put it to stand, it stands perfect upright. So this is one way to prepare this kind of coconut. And look what's going on here. Look,
Banglamerian shrimps.
Fresh.
supply to the hut. Look guys, fresh from the tree. Can't get fresher than that.
No. You want to put my barrel in there?
Yeah, bring up people. Bring up and you fall in the body, man. Bring up people.
So this is the fruit basket. So the fruits, I got the fruits down here. They have some white rice drying out. And everything else that's already cooked is here. So it's just like I know the most pundits and most people would agree there is nothing as a small Jandy or small, but you know we didn't like a lot of invitees, like just family and close neighbors. Yeah. So we just go into the 63 beach and get where this thing will be done. So join us and we'll show you as we go along how it's being done. So there's another way. You see a cut right there. It drops right into the barrel.
In the bin.
Into the bin. See? Look. In a couple of seconds. Look. Man on this try up this thing there. Look. And so you see Guyanese and especially them cane cutters. That, you know, you don't trust them, man. When they get a what you call it? Martindale.
Martindale.
Done. Look. Look.
More you make it better piece.
Look, Tina got she got she first coconut now. Look, like fresh
coconut. And Ben can't wait to have this. He said it tastes way better than American one.
Yeah.
We had give him some yesterday. It wasn't that great, but he so loved it. He said it tastes better. So let me see, nice jelly and something. This one,
yeah,
really young. So let's
see you do it without no straw and anything. That's how you do it. Look. How was it?
Oh God, water of life. This is what coconut water is.
They say
it's delicious.
It's saline.
It's delicious.
Life to the body.
Yep. I could drink this every day.
There you go. Oh, this one go whole like this.
You need them with this.
You need. This is need they call it the eye or the head or what you call it. This is we need it like
have
this.
to be complete.
Special, complete. Yeah.
Nice coconut.
See. There you go.
Prepare to go to the beach.
And they're doing some potatoes here, cutting up. So they're gonna do potato curry one side and something go in the bacon curry.
Okay.
Finish?
Alright.
No, but put a spoon down now.
See?
Yeah, man, you see?
Look here.
Now that coconut chop in there. Yeah, we can do that. You got some missing here.
See? I got a little stand in front there. Got your coconut go in there. Look. It's a business. The man don't get his skills.
Perfect. Perfect. There you go.
I've Guyanese foreigner here.
Hi, Farmer David.
You look like you're in.
Spoon.
Now this is how you finish and eat and drink a complete water coconut, Guyanese style. You see here, you get your jelly on it. Perfect. When you can come out with something like this, you get perfect jelly. Well, can't get fresher than this. From the tree, here.
And the preparation continues. Now is like just after 6. Oh, look at the bamboo. Oh yeah. So this is gonna be used to for the flag. So they cut it and we have it here. The guys went into the bushes and got this. It's been grown wild. Bamboo. So we got bamboo. What's happening here? Look. So when you're machete, you get you say you get dull and you lose the blade. See? Local file. There you file and you see them cane, quarter them cane, harvester them this. Them man is bad with them tools. See there, look.
Good to go.
Good to go. Done sharpen up there.
Malenka on this bamboo.
How you prepare the bamboo, you see?
Huh? Still here, no work?
Look at this. Let me get this. So this is the foreign flower.
Okay, yeah. The foreign leaf.
The foreign leaf. So they pick some flowers. Look how pretty this is. Oh my God!
This is
It's
what they
been
call
like
the water lily. The water lily.
Yes.
Water
Well,
not flower.
Water not or water not here.
see, this is the
The flower.
foreign flower. So we get some of this, and then I'm gonna show you our Guyanese plate.
Plate. See, man, done cut out the bamboo. You just cut the length that you need. See, with a point, so it's easy to go into the sand. Oh, look at this here.
So look at our Guyanese plate. And normally,
Is that a 7 curry?
Yes.
You're not eating with this? Like, you're not getting that taste like you
this is
need.
like perfect for the 7 curry. Perfect.
See? Them they arrange up and setting up plan.
Well, if you go bring a bench here, let this go in Muna then.
Yeah, just some.
But you got a big pot there, then why you got your problem? Babe, not take from weight.
So 6:30. Yeah, so like 20 minutes to 7 in the morning. Look what's going on there, by Katahar. On the fireside. See this fireside give this food like a different flavor altogether. Outside cooking. But this is the best thing. This is the first thing that's gonna be finished. It's gonna be done. So, how the puri going on here? So this is how you do the puri. And they fry it up here. Oh yeah, they give the thing that hot there. So they got a special, a few of them they have to do first, the small ones.
Yes. 5 small.
5 small ones first. And roll it up like that.
Yeah. Here is the 5 small one.
And then they put it in bowls. Yeah, we're not doing a lot, but. Oh, and this is how the prep. What do you call it? The loy?
Loy.
Yeah.
Mommy,
She getting ready for the beach, so you got to spray it on.
Not carry not carry my baby. You not carry your baby. You go wet
You're
on the
gonna go
beach.
wet. You're going to the beach.
She want to carry him to the beach. He okay, okay. He okay. He go okay to the beach. Come, go. Alrighty, she go. Come here.
I'm getting my spray up now.
Turn. Ben, Isha, come. Can you
Come,
come?
Tano, come. So fast. Ben,
Elias, come, Mama. Papa,
Ben.
come and spray you. Come.
put on your shoe and come. Come
Come,
on.
baby, come. Come and spray you.
Start, load up this canter, look. See, all this stuff going up there.
Sit down. Just sit down there.
Sit, no move. Sit.
Now I look heavy, boy.
This is the whole Jamadehi.
So I'm not doing job properly. So I will call final call for boarding. What What the flight number?
Who left? Who left for a smoke?
Final call for boarding to this flight here. See the setup, watch.
You all ready to go? First time. So let's see how this will roll. Have I get the driver?
Can't tell here.
First time.
Stop the driver.
Back a truck.
Stop the pilot.
Like it?
Pilot, yeah.
This is the pilot.
This is a co-pilot.
Then come. Then come. Come, Papa, come.
So we all up here.
Come in. Up.
Come. That can hide you.
Ben, you go and try go on seat.
You know I carry here front? You can go front.
You got front of that, you want the back. The one the right then, the one
see the
inside
view now.
is. Them couldn't contact. You sit down or you want to hold on? Sit or you want to hold on?
You want more of the thing because you go sit down.
You want to hold on, you want to hold on. Come, Papa, come.
know about that.
Because I go, he go and come there, Isha. His friend, if you see them two, I'm going to give them help this morning.
Wait. Final call. I got everything. Cutlass, shovel. All right. So look, Isha. Look, Isha. Look, Isha.
You gonna ride?
In.
Aye. A bit. Are you going?
So we just leave out 63 Beach. Here we come. It's cool. A little farm over there. So we're on our way. Pigeons. Uh-oh, another one come in.
Oh my gosh.
So let's see how they're gonna do this.
Isha, you okay? Okay, you like it? Yes, Isha like it.
On this side. Let's go. So you see guys, look at the sign here. Welcome to Corriverton. So Corriverton start, where you call it, a Blackwater Bridge? So Corriverton start from here. That's the river, the Quarantine River over there. Skeldon Hospital. What remaining of Skeldon Estate? And that's a Skeldon Post Office. It's our dispensary that we used to go there from the estate. Yeah. Look here, Price is Right, new place. This is where my cinema used to be. Classic Hotel. That's the Quarantine River right here, leading out to the mouth of the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh yes. We got something to buy watermelon.
Yes.
Grab a watermelon.
Yo!
Yeah. There's somebody said.
Hey, stop, one car.
One big one.
Right,
Right
you stop in the corner right off the road, see?
You want follow right? Yes, Oh, that's what happened. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So that's not bad. Look, $3,000. Yeah.
Daddy, the very bad. Look at the model of the watermelon.
Yeah.
Our watermelon model.
Put this back. Oh.
Wait, put what? That one got it? Baby, you okay? You want to come, Grandma? No, me hold on. Am I still tired of the sea? What's coming? Wait, look, coming. Yeah, the fire,
Yeah, stretch your dollar. Get your bargain. Look guys, fajita. It's not fajita anymore. Ayub Halal Restaurant. One cheese. Look, next we're gonna check that color here, look. Skeldon Police Station. There's a Camille Police Station. You say our police station, over?
Springland.
Yeah, this is the People Bank. Demerara Bank, the People Bank. Old Stalin Road. rice field, right on the roadside. Housing scheme at the back there. At the back there used to be cane fields. Man there, over there. So guys, look here, 74. All here used to be cane field up to 2015. All here were cane field. Now they're that's the new public hospital that's building at the 74 village. Yeah guys, that's a new public hospital building there at 74 village. All there used to be cane fields. This is where Corverton end. Coming from this end. 74, yeah, by the arch. 67 village, guys. 67 village. I remember has two bar in the back. My mom used to live there. Look. Yeah. Fishery. Yeah. 66 fishery. There's 66 bridge. 66 bridge. This is my turf, our area. Our family home. Yo! That's Biggie Mahmood. Building a big house there. Oh, a lot of changes in this village. A lot of houses move on. Oh, look what used to be 65 Coca. Where the tamarind tree used to be. That's look what it become. This is a Morphe, used to be Morphe bar. Yeah. Village now, enter 64. Health Center. Of the 64 cinema. Mohani or Isla Bona is called. See. Yeah, the beach entrance. Famous 63 beach. Oh yeah, when we coming back? Tagore School. Entering 63 Beach. Oh, who remember this hideout spot by Dari Bar? Pool table. They do the construction work there. The park, yeah, the park is in there. Joe Park is in there. This is Tanuja Nursery School, Babylon there. That's the Bena Post Office. Get some snacks. And here is Tanuja Primary School that she went a couple grades here. New Market Primary School. Agriculture, this used to be agriculture here. Some new building up here. I think where used to be the guest house, right here? This area or over here used to be the guest house, where they had a huge guest house and they break it down. Look, mangoes here, guys. Look, mangoes. Look, oh wow. Look at these. Look, this grow. That's in the public that grow in the wild. Look at mangoes there. Look. Anyone could go now. We could probably get some of them coming back. Tina, you drop out. You have to put it over there. What should I get over there? Oh, and the water is right up. Oh, look at the water is all the way up. Look, 63 Beach, guys, the famous 63 Beach. Look, Ben, look at the beach. Look at the famous 63 Beach, guys, and the mouth of the Atlantic. This is where the Atlantic starts. There's the boats. 63 Beach. Look, Isha, look at the beach. You're at the beach. Whoa. You see the beach? You vacation on the beach?
Vacation. Now she laugh. Yeah. Now she see the beach. Now she happy.
See the beach?
You wanna go? I can control. You can't wet your skin yet. You wet your skin a little bit. And we do and then you go to shop. Then you go to okay?
Where can be a nice spot? I don't know. And look at this water still coming up, does it?
In about yes, you find somewhere a little clean spot and that's it.
This water still come up. I know, anybody know.
Yeah, wet.